Backpacking Thailand suggested budgets. If you're backpacking Thailand, budget between 800 to 1,125 THB per day. On this budget, you'll be staying in a dorm room, eating food from the street stalls, enjoying a couple of drinks per day, using public transportation to get around, and doing mostly free or cheap activities like swimming, hiking, and relaxing on the beach. On a mid-range budget of 1,750 to 2,700 THB per day, you can stay in a private hostel room or guest house with air conditioning, eat a few meals at Western or sit-down restaurants, rent a motorbike or scooter, travel between cities by train or cheap flight, and do more paid activities like jungle treks and diving. On a luxury budget of around 3,725, 5,450 THB per day or more, you can stay in a hotel, eat out anywhere you want, drink more, island hop as much as you want, and do whatever tours and activities you want. This is just the ground floor for luxury though. The sky is the limit. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to stop missing out on future videos and fantastic information.